trying to go the other way, but I can't seem to get you out of my head.
We're going to Nara right now, and we just got on the train, and we'll be there in 30 minutes. On our way to Nara. Can't wait to meet the deers. It's very convenient and very close to the Nara station, and from what I read it's like 10-15 minutes walking distance to Nara Park. So let's go check in and explore Nara city. We made it to our hotel. You have to take off your shoes and put them in a little locker before you go to the elevator. Let's go to the elevator. It's a heated floor. There you go.
So this is our room.
Oh, and our luggage is already here. We're gonna go now to the onsen. This is our baskets, and Daniel is going to be in a separate onsen only for males, and I'm going to be in a separate only with females. And when we come back, we'll tell you our experience. I'm very curious to see. It's going to be my first time visiting an onsen.
So before we go to the onsen, there are 11 rules. You gotta tie up your long hair, cannot go with the clothes inside and slippers. They gotta remain in your locker. You gotta be silent. You gotta keep an eye on your children. No food and drinks. Also no tattoos and drunks allowed. No cameras and mobile phones are permitted. Please do not sleep in the bath and sauna.
We just came back from the onsen. It was an amazing experience.
It was amazing, yeah. The water was crystal clear.
And extremely hot. And the water was 45 degrees Celsius. And the sauna was so hot, so hot. I stayed maybe a minute or minute and a half, and I couldn't stay anymore. And they had another like a little pool area. It was so cold.
I didn't go in this area, by the way.
It was so cold.
I was in the spa all the time.
Did you have a good time?
Yes, I had a great time.
We're going to the deer park, and the deer's already in the streets. Hello, deer. How are you? You want to say hello to everyone? Hi, baby. You're so cute. Can I pet you? Oh.
We were young and running free. We were never meant to be, but I could not see you go. 'Cause of you, don't wanna waste another minute without you. And I will love you in the dark. And if you ever fall out, please don't leave me out. 'Cause I will love you till I'm gone. If you just hold on. If you just hold on.
Deers apparently like bananas too.
We can share one. Do you want to share?
Of course.
Okay, let's share. Wow.
Oh my god. He likes it. He's something between a deer and monkey. Ah, there is another one. Sorry guy, you missed it. Your cousin ate all the banana. We met so many deers on the streets, and the interesting thing is they bow for their food.
They were so cute when we were giving them crackers and they were just bowing for their food. It was very, very cute.
'Cause if it all were up to me, we would always stay this free, and I would never let you go. 'Cause of you, don't wanna waste another minute without you. I will love you in the dark, and if you ever fall out, please don't leave me out. 'Cause I will love you till I'm gone.
The deers are waiting for the green light too. They're waiting to cross the street.
Say you won't go. I will love you in the dark. I will never let it go.
Thank you.
Say you won't go. I will love you in the dark.
We really fell in love with Nara. If you ever visit Japan, don't miss Nara. It's the most beautiful place we've been so far.
Without you.